In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple accounts to the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online by importing a spreadsheet so you can set up or reorganize your books much faster than entering everything manually. Begin by preparing a clean CSV or Excel file with clear column headers such as account name, account type, detail type, number, and description. And include a parent account column if you plan to use sub-accounts, because proper formatting reduces import errors. From the QuickBooks dashboard, click the gear icon, open Chart of Accounts, and choose Import Data, then select Chart of Accounts and upload your file. The most important step is mapping each column correctly so account types and detail types align with QuickBooks categories, since these directly influence financial reports and transaction behavior. Review the preview screen carefully for typos or warnings before confirming the import to avoid duplicates or misclassifications that could affect balances later. Subscribe for clear tech tutorials and honest software walkthroughs every week.